Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm one of the cookery school teachers at Newlyns. Today I'm going to show you how to make salsa verde. Our ingredients for salsa verde are small bunch of flat leaf parsley finely chopped, one small bunch of basil finely chopped, 8 boccherones or anchovy fillets if you can't get anchovy fillets, cornichons, small gherkins, lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, honey and olive oil. Okay, so it's quite simple, and salt and pepper. It's quite simple. Straight into the food processor with the basil, flat leaf parsley, boccherones. Okay, it's better to use boccherones than anchovy fillets because they're less salty, and also they have some salt and some acidity in the cornichons as well. Okay, let's squeeze lemon juice. Okay. 1 garlic clove crush, just with the back of the blade. Crush it, chop it a couple of times. Okay, straight in, and then we're going to add our olive oil gradually. So we're going to mix this up to a paste now. So just turn the machine on. Okay, we're going to the olive oil gradually. I'm going to stop halfway just to scrape all of the ingredients away from the side of the bowl, just to make sure they incorporate nice and evenly. There we go. Okay, that's squares of lemon honey. Let's have a little scrape again to see how we go. That's good. It's still got some texture to it from the garlic and boccherones. Let's have a little taste. That's yummy. A little bit of salt and pepper, just to lift the seasoning. One more whisk, and then we're done. Okay. I like to make sure that I get all of the ingredients out of the bowl. Otherwise, you can't waste all your hard work and effort by living in the food processor. So just scrape it out into your container and set it aside until we're ready to serve. This salsa is very versatile. You can use it for lamb, you can use it for fish, tuna it's ideal for, and any kind of oily fish, Mediterranean style. Okay. There we are.